Hi everybody, it's lesson number 12, HSK 1. We will practice words that we learned in the last lesson. Let's start with the dialogue number 1, talking about cooking. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Can you cook? 你会做饭吗？你会做饭吗？你会 can you or you can 做饭 to do food or to cook food. You can say ma. It's a 4 questions. So can you cook? 你会做饭吗？做饭 to do food, to cook food. And what be men say? Yes, I can cook many dishes. How about you? 会 I can. Oh yes, we can. If they ask 会 we can answer 会。我会做很多菜。我会做 I can do 很多 a lot of 菜 It's a food, so 菜。你呢 What about you? 你呢 For reverse questions. I can cook too, but not as well as you. 我也会 I also can. Yeah, it's also. 我也会做饭 I also can cook to do food. So I can cook food or just cook. Done. But done. 没你做得好 It's a new grammar for us. 没 here is for 没有 so doesn't have or don't have or not as well as you. 没有 so you can say I don't have skill that you have. So you can say like that. 但没 or 但没有你做的 you do 的好 There is mean degrees of 做 So 做 well or 做 not well. You can say 做得好 It's to do well something. 做得好 So 但没你做得好 as not as good as you. So you can say not as well as you. 没有你做得好 I don't have this skill that you have, you can say. Next one. Is the food your mom cooks delicious? 你妈妈做的菜菜 it's food. 做的 so 妈妈做的 so here's 妈妈做 it's a description of describe what the food. So what's the 菜 not usual 菜 just 妈妈做的菜好吃吗好吃 it's good to eat so very delicious 好吃吗好吃你妈妈做的菜好吃吗And he answered, very delicious. The food she cooks is so tasty. 很好吃 As we can see, first one transferred to second. 很好吃他做的菜这么好吃他做的菜food that she makes or the food she cooks 他做的菜这么好吃这么 you can say so good, so 好 so delicious 这么好吃很好吃他做的菜这么好吃 Very good. Next one. Number 1. Number 2. Learning Chinese characters. Can you write Chinese characters? 你会写汉字吗？你会写汉字吗？会 it's to be able to do something. 写 it's to write. So write Chinese characters. 汉字 Han it's Chinese. 字 it's characters. So 汉字吗？Ma it's 4 questions. Yes, but Chinese characters are hard to write. 会，但汉字很难写。However, but 但汉字 Chinese characters 很难写。难 it's difficult or hard. It's adjective. So 很难写 it's hard to write. So 很难写。Also, he replies 会, but I think it's like you can write characters, but if you learn new characters, you need to learn them how to write. So it's never ending process. Can you read Chinese characters? 你会读汉字吗？写 it's to write, 读 it's to read aloud. 你会读汉字吗？你会读汉字？读 it's to read characters. Yes, but there are some characters I don't know. 会 但 however, but 有些字我不认识。there is or there are or exist or have. 写字it means some few small amount of something. So 写字 few characters or some characters. 写字我不认识。I don't recognize them. I don't know them. 我不认识。I don't know. I never met them, so I don't know how to write them or read. How do you read this character? 这个字怎么读？这个字 this character 怎么 how to 怎么读 how to read 这个字怎么读 how to read this character. This character is read as 好这个字读好 This character reads or pronounces like 好 This character is read as 好 It's good. Also, a lot of different meanings. Talking about food. What dishes do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃什么菜？你喜欢 you like 吃 it to eat something 什么 what 什么菜 it's a food or dishes cuisine you can say 你喜欢吃什么菜 I like eating Chinese food. Chinese food is very delicious. 我喜欢吃中国菜。I like it. I like to eat 中国菜 Chinese food. 中国菜很好吃。中国菜 Chinese food 很好吃。吃 it's to eat something. So very good to eat. We already know these characters. Just practice, and practice make perfect. Can you cook Chinese food? 你会做中国菜吗？你会做 Can you do or can you cook? 你会做 what? 中国菜吗？ And questionable. 中国菜吗？ Yes, I can cook 宫保 chicken. 这是会，我会做宫保鸡丁。Interesting. I don't know this food, but in China there is a lot of food, so you cannot learn. I think you can even taste every dishes. 我会做宫保鸡丁。Here is 鸡 it's chicken. 鸡 as we can see, this character looks like a chicken. But this one we will skip for now. That's so impressive. 这么厉害，这么厉害，厉害。You can 厉害. It's like impressive in this context, but also very cool, also very strong. For example, if disease or illness, we can say 很厉害, so strong, so aggressive, so hard to cure. 这么厉害, that's so impressive. Chinese people also 你很厉害，你很厉害. You're so cool. If you do something good, for example, if you speak Russian very good, they can say 你的俄语那么厉害. Your Russian is very good. So, discussing language skills. Next. 你会can you speak Chinese? 你会说韩语吗？你会说汉语吗？你会说韩语吗？ Can you speak Chinese? 说 it's to speak. 汉语 it's Chinese language, spoken language. And don't forget 说 first time 说. Yes, but I don't speak it very well. 会 done, but done. 我说的不太好。我说 in which level of goodness we can say, level of good or bad, well or not well. 我说的不太好。I don't speak it very well. I speak here's describe how I speak. 不太好, not too good, not too well. 不太好, 太 it's like too, not too good, you can say. 不太好。会，但我说的不太好。And can you write Chinese characters? 你会写汉字吗？你会写汉字吗？ Can you write Chinese characters? 写 it's to write something. Yes, but Chinese characters are hard to write. 会，但汉字很难写。但汉字 Chinese characters 很难写。It's very difficult to write. You can transfer. 很难写。Can your mom speak Chinese? 你妈妈会说韩语吗？你妈妈会说 can speak 韩语吗？ Chinese language. Yes, she speaks it very fluently. 会，她说的很流利。It's fluently, perfect, very easy to. Fluently is very because we can see this character. It's like a stream of water. So language like water came out of your mouth. You can imagine this. 会，他说的很流利。As we can remember, this the describe a degree of level. So level of doing something. For example, 说好不好？很流利 is very fluent. You can say 很还是不太好 not very good. 很流利 very fluently. And last one for today, reading and writing. What are you doing? 你在做什么？你在做什么？在 here is represent action. So right now it's happening. It's present continuous. The sign of present continuous. 你在做什么？ You in the process of doing what? You can say, what are you doing? 你在做什么？ What? I am writing Chinese characters. 我在写汉字吗？我在写。I am in the process of writing 汉字 Chinese characters. Present continuous again. 我在写汉字。How many Chinese characters can you write? 你会写多少汉字？你会写 you can write 多少 a lot a small amount or a lot of amount, so you don't know, and you ask 多少 how many 多少汉字，你会写多少汉字？写 and she answers, I can write over 100 characters. 我会写100多个字。我会写 I can write how much? Oh, how many? 100多100 it's 100 by it's like 100. 100多 it's here's mean more than 100 characters. 100多 or you can say 100 and more. 100多个字，个 it's measure word for characters. 字 it's 汉字 or you can say 字 characters. 我会写100多个字 characters. That's so impressive. Can you read Chinese characters? 这么厉害 so cool, impressive, astonishing. 这么厉害，你会读汉字吗？你会读 Can you read 汉字 Chinese characters? 你会读汉字吗？读 it's to read something. 会 it's to be able to do something. Yes, but there are some characters I don't know. 会 or you can say 是的但有些 however, but 有些字 there is some characters 些字 few characters, some characters 我不认识 I don't know, I don't recognize them. 有些字我不认识 I don't know. As we can see, there is a lot of repetition in this dialogues. That's because we need to practice and practice. Because we can, of course, start to learn new words, but if we don't know this very well, we will be very it will be hard to learn new characters, because if you don't know previous, and you will be overwhelming. So don't rush Chinese language. Stay repetitive, stay consistent, and definitely you will see results. So that's all for today, and we will meet in next episode.